break that's coming in right now. The Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath will visit Hathras, the site of the stampede, tomorrow. That's the latest coming in, viewers. You know, you cannot ignore stampede after stampede, committees after committees that have been set up. The state of Uttar Pradesh, where religious gatherings are concerned, infamous for mass gathering and stampedes that have taken place. This is not the first. And the lives lost, possibly the maximum in recent times that we have seen. 80 is what we are talking of, and the numbers all set to rise. Where
जो मैंने कहा था, जो मैंने कहना था, मैंने कह दिया, वो सच्चाई है। और एक्सपंज करें, जितना करना है करें, सच्चाई सच्चाई होती है।
Thank you very much.
Leaving the parliament, you just heard Akhilesh Yadav also speak about the stampede. Devastating, unfortunate, horrifying. Listen in once again to political reactions coming in.
मोदी जी की दुनिया में सच्चाई एक्सपंज हो सकती है, मगर रियलिटी में सच्चाई एक्सपंज नहीं हो सकती है। जो मैंने कहा था, जो मैंने कहना था, मैंने कह दिया, वो सच्चाई है। और एक्सपंज करें, जितना करना है करें, सच्चाई सच्चाई होती है।
All right, so Rahul Gandhi leaving the parliament there. The Prime Minister also spoke of it on the floor of the parliament. But let's put the focus right now back to Hathras, Uttar Pradesh. The UP Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath will be going to the site of the stampede in Hathras to take stock of the situation. In recent times, viewers, this would have to be one of the most devastating stampedes at a mass gathering. We are yet to be given a figure how many people were in attendance that caused such a massive stampede. Now, what really happened? Initial eyewitness accounts suggest this was a tented area that you can see. Thousands had gathered there. We are yet to get a number or a figure on that. And when the satsang ended and the Baba was leaving the tented area, people started leaving as well, and that led to a stampede of sorts. Most have died of suffocation. Most in the death are women, some of them tens of children is what we are being told right now. We're going to continue to get our viewers more in terms of the fatalities all set to rise, but what we can confirm is at least 80. Yogi Adityanath, the Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh, has already directed and constituted a high-level committee to investigate on what really went down. He himself will be taking stock of the situation, will be visiting Hathras tomorrow. But viewers, will the organizers be held accountable? We have been given to understand an FIR is being lodged against the organizers of the event. But the bigger question, can the district magistrate, can the superintendent of police, the SP of the area go unscathed? That's the big question. Listen in to eyewitness accounts.
अरे एक भीड़ थी, वो एक दूसरे के ऊपर हो गए बच्चे।
आपके साथ कितने लोग आए थे?
पूरी गाड़ी भर के आई थी, कमेटी आई थी, जयपुर की कमेटी आई थी।
कितने लोग थे गाड़ी में लगभग?
अरे हम गिनती ना है, पूरी गाड़ी, बड़ी गाड़ी भरी थी पूरी।
बस थी? हाँ। कितने बजे आ गए थे आप लोग वहाँ पे? हम लोग तो 9:30 बजे आ गए थे, पंडाल में 10 बजे आ गए थे। अच्छा, पंडाल 10 बजे। क्या घटनाक्रम हुआ, क्या जानकारी? समापन के बाद में भीड़ एकदम से सब निकली, एक दूसरे के ऊपर सब हुई है।
अच्छा, भगदड़ से मिट कुचल दिया एक दो।
अच्छा, तो उसमें बच्ची आपके साथ और आपके पति भी आए थे क्या?
वो नहीं थे संग में। तो आप
भीड़ ज्यादा थी?
बहुत हुई भीड़ है, बहुत हुई।
भगदड़ की वजह से ये मौत हुई।
एक संग वो रुक गई है, दबे गए वहाँ में। हमारे संग ही जे।
आपके कोई परिवार का कोई मिलने वाला आपके भी खत्म हुए?
हाँ, माई जे नंद लगाती है,
वो भी खत्म हुई है।
इसमें घटनाक्रम में यह है कि अंदर कोई घटना नहीं हुई है। घटना जो भी हुई है वो पुलिस प्रशासन की वजह से रोड पे घटना हुई है। पुलिस प्रशासन ने जो है मुस्तैदी से अपना काम नहीं किया है और उसकी वजह से पुलिस प्रशासन अभी इसी टाइम में, योगी जी अगर मेरी बात सुने हो, तुरंत पूरे स्टाफ को सस्पेंड किया जाए, नहीं हम लोग रोड पर उतर के सस्पेंड करेंगे।
हम दर्शन करने आए थे परमात्मा तेरे, अब बहुत भीड़ आती। अब एक बिट्टू है मुझे गोदी लाए थे, वही को हाथ पकड़े थे। भैया बहन नहीं तो तब को जैसे बच्चा नीचे आई गया, हम नीचे आई गए।
क्या भगदड़ मच गई थी क्या?
हाँ भगदड़ मच गई थी, हमारे बहुत गोट दर्द हुई है, लेकिन अपने बच्चे बचाई पाओ हम।
आप लोग हो कहाँ से आए थे आप लोग?
हम आई तो भैया फरकाबाद कह रहे।
कहाँ पे, कौन सा जिला है, कहाँ पे पड़ता है ये? यूपी में।
यूपी।
अच्छा।
अब यहाँ दर्शन करना आए थे।
Questions that need to be answered, viewers, right now. Were safety arrangements made? Were permissions given for this massive mass gathering that has taken place? All right, latest news coming in right now. The Prime Minister has picked up the phone, speaking to Yogi Adityanath, taking stock of the situation. Prime Minister spoke to Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath regarding the tragic incident in Hathras. He's just tweeted out, the UP government is engaged in all possible help to the victims. My condolences are with those who have lost their loved ones in this. Along with this, I wish for the speedy recovery of all injured. The Prime Minister tweeting out a short while ago, speaking to the Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh, who is going to be in Hathras tomorrow to personally take stock of the situation. But once again, viewers, is this one of the most devastating stampedes that have taken place in a state that is infamous for stampedes and mass gatherings? This is not the first. Committees have been set up, but have come to a naught. Nothing at all. In this particular case, viewers, where we are looking at fatalities go over 80, questions now need to be asked. Were safety arrangements made? Were permissions given for a mass gathering? Not an FIR just against the organizers. What about the district magistrate? Can the DM, can the SP of the area get away with just saying that an investigation is being carried on? Will heads roll? That's the big question. My colleague Abhishek joining us live with more. Abhishek, what more can you add? What is the number of fatalities? Where does it stand right now? What's the latest?
Well, Preeti, at the moment it has gone to more than 80, which is been confirmed. But again, remains to be seen officially what the number will come in. But it is very alarming and very tragic at the moment, because the way this incident happened, there were lack of preparations on the ground. The district administration lapse is clearly evident enough to understand the intensity of this event. Thousands of these followers and these pilgrims were there, and they have the administration had the information about this kind of religious conference or this event happening there. So instead of that also, why they were not enough security deployed? The police personnel were very limited number there, and that too outside the premises. There were no arrangements to make sure that the exit of from this premises is clear and easy, and that is not being made sure. But at the moment, what is required is to make sure that all these injureds, that is also a big number, needs to get medical aid as soon as possible. Otherwise, that this number will go, to a level which is again going to be shocking. But at the moment, CM Yogi Adityanath, as I said, is now taking minute, monitoring of this whole incident. He has also set up an investigation. That report needs to be submitted within 24 hours of the primary reasons behind this incident. The ADG and as well as the Chief Secretary is also now heading to Hathras. Also, the two ministers of Yogi cabinets are there. They are reaching. So this is all the preparations being made. But again, this whole incident is now narrowing down to one only question, that why such a big lapses, such big ignorance happened on the ground,
right,
where the exit, where this whole area where this incident was happening was not under the proper preparations.
Abhishek, we're going to get into what really went down. A, how many in terms of numbers do we have an understanding who were attending this satsang? Number two, where in the world is the self-styled godman Bholenath who led this death trap where the satsang was concerned?
Well, to be very honest, the number is not exact at the moment, but thousands of people were there. It could be on to 10,000. This is what has been said, because this village where this event was happening is Ratibhanpur Mughalgadi, and the followers and the pilgrims from the adjoining areas were there, and not only from Hathras, there were people from Farrukhabad, from Aligarh, from Agra, from the nearby adjoining districts. So that was the reason that such big number of people were there. So that is the one thing. Other thing, he's still absconding. That Baba needs to get on the camera. He needs to get on the ground. He needs to take the responsibility. But
he needs to be arrested, period.
He left
not just be on the ground or take accountability. The self-styled Godman in question needs to be arrested, and it needs to happen ASAP, but not just that. This time around, will heads roll? That's the question, viewers, because as a state, Uttar Pradesh has been infamous for mass gathering and stampedes that have taken place at the back of it. It's not the first.